All right, so today we're going to take a look at the Yealink T27G SIP phone. It's a VoIP phone for internet phone service or voice over IP. Here's the T27G, so let's go ahead and get started. Let's go ahead and talk about the redial button here on the bottom right, which is labeled RD. So this obviously, if you're familiar with any phone, redial allows you to call back the last number that you dialed. The nice thing on this phone is that it also gives you a history of what you've previously dialed. So if you press it once, it shows you a history of all the numbers that you dialed. I assume there, it goes up to 100 as the max, but the last 100 numbers that you dialed. If you wanted to just quickly redial the very last number you dialed, which is kind of the way that I use it when I'm making a call, is I just double tap it quickly, and that goes ahead and dials that same number that you dialed last time.